A is given by this set builder notation and set B is given by this set builder notation. So we have to tell about intersection of A and B. It will be empty set, it will not be empty set, it will be equal to real number set of real number, or union is equal to about A. So we have to find which one option is correct. So using this, A set A is given, and in this set A order pair is coming, and which order pair or coordinates in order pair satisfying this relation or equation. X is coming from real number. And set B, in this set all order pair is coming, in which elements of order pair or constituents of order pair is satisfying this equation, and X is coming from real number. If you know the graph of e raised to the power x, y equal to e raised to the power x, and y equal to e raised to the power minus x, then you can answer this problem easily. Suppose this is your Cartesian plane, then this is the graph of e raised to the power x, e raised to the power x, and this is the graph of e raised to the power minus x. So only this is the point of intersection. It means intersection of A and B cannot be empty set. Cannot be empty set. So option B may be true, but check other options. So A intersection B in option A is equal to phi. This option is false because intersection contain at least one element, you can see, or exactly one element. A union B is equal to R, as you can see this is the graph of single variable function, and the graph of single variable function will come in 2D or two dimensional. So never be union is equal to real line. It may be, it if it may be possible union can be R square but never be R. So option C discard here, and A union B is equal to A in option D. This option is false because union contain only single order pair, and this order pair is 0 comma 1. So option D is also false. So correct option is only B. So B is correct answer.